Hello, I'm making potato and peas curry today, best known as Matar Aloo. It's really quick to make, which is why I've chosen this because it's great for a midweek meal. I'm going to start with 1.5 tablespoon of sunflower oil, and once it's hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Let it sizzle, and I've just roughly chopped 2 onions here, which I'm going to add to this. We're going to cook this on a medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes until we get a really nice golden color. This is looking really good, just the right golden. Don't go over in this specific curry because sometimes I say, oh, make it really brown, but this time this is perfect. And to this I'm adding really finely chopped 3 garlic cloves, a centimeter of ginger finely chopped, and just mix it just a couple of minutes. And here I have got 4 tomatoes roughly chopped, which we'll add in. I'll leave the gas on medium and cover and cook for roughly 10 minutes. What we want is the tomatoes to go soft. And while the onions and tomato mix is getting ready, I have got 4 medium-sized potatoes and I'm going to prep these. Let's check it. Oh, that looks good. Now time to add the spices. So I've got the basic ones today. So I've got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of ground coriander powder. And all of this will go into our onion mix. And as you can see, I have chopped the potatoes in like 1-inch pieces, not too big and not too small. So I'm going to throw these in, and I've got 300 grams of frozen green peas. If it's in season and you can find fresh, then go for it. And to this I'm going to add 500 ml of boiling water, and just on high heat bring it up to a boil. It already looks really colorful and inviting and smells incredible. My mom makes this a lot at home, and what she does is at this stage she'll put everything in the pressure cooker and just 2 whistles and it's done. So it's a really quick meal. If you have a pressure cooker, then feel free to use it. It's come to a boil. We'll cover it and cook it on low to medium heat for half an hour. We want the potatoes to be properly done and cooked. It's been 15 minutes and I just want to quickly check how the potatoes are doing. Just check. Oh, that's smooth. The last thing, as always, to test if the seasoning is all right, mainly the salt. It needs another half a teaspoon of salt. If you don't want so much salt, please don't. But I like the seasoning to be right to get the flavors spot on. Right. I thought it'll take 30 minutes, but it got cooked in 20, so that's even better. And I'm going to finish it with some chopped coriander. Time to dig in. So I've got some rice because it's really good with rice, but also it's really good with naan. You can find the recipe on the channel here, or chapati, you can find that recipe as well. Whatever you decide to eat it with is really, really good. Reminds me of the winters when the green peas were in season in India, and we would all together in the veranda, get the peas out together and then make this. Oh, so good. Oh wait, I need to sign off. Please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. And I will see you next week with a brand new recipe.